Happy Father's Day to everyone today. Me and my dad are out looking for stuff to do on Father's Day and came across this old historic Rancho Cucamonga service station. Yeah. Oh, and we got music. So a lot of this might be, won't be monetized. Here we go.
There's a Toyota fire truck right there.
Yeah. In 1915 this was built. And this is Route 66 right here. Excuse me, Route 66. And if you ever hear, you gotta eat at that deli right there. That deli right there has a train going around the top. It's kind of cool, but it mostly has pictures of this, how it used to look on this corner here. This is an old stop sign back in the day, and then this gas station was here in 1915.
Dodge.
Be monetized. Nice work. The old visible pumps. Look at gas prices. Check out these gas prices, Dad.
This is not the first pumps. First pumps have 11 pumps.
It's right here.
Oh yeah, it does.
So they call these what? Visibles?
I don't know.
Yeah, they're visible. So you pump it up to how much you want it, I guess?
So you pump it all the way up, then you gravity feed it how many gallons you want.
I see.
See, it tells you on this board how much.
Right. But I would think that you wouldn't pump this up.
This pump fills that glass.
I know that, but would it be filled if you only bought 2 gallons? It would still stay filled. Okay.
Sometimes you got to go off 5 gallon gas. Sometimes you got 5 gallons.
Wow, look at this sucker. I wanted this. I was going to build this in back of one of my houses. I had a big house, and I was going to make one of these a little smaller scale for a pool house, pool room, or what they call it, where you change your clothes, a shower, and a bathroom. A little pool house, I guess you call it. Let's go inside.
Hello.
Hey guys, we are open. Great.
Finally.
Great, we keep coming by.
A year of being closed.
We've been coming by for, I can't tell you how long, since he was a little kid. Yeah, we used to go, I would go to the deli and I would see the pictures of the place years ago, and I go, I gotta be here when it opens up.
When did you guys open?
We just opened Thursday after the pandemic, but we've been open since 2015.
Right.
But we're open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 10 to 3. Because we're all volunteers. Nobody pays us.
Nobody pays you?
Nope.
Quit.
No.
Nobody pays you.
All the way from Chicago.
You want to take a picture?
No, I am taking, I'm doing a
I used to
video.
operate those pumps.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I used to help my dad pump the gas up in there.
Yeah, and then it come down.
And he went and killed the dead dinosaurs to make the gas.
No, I traveled that road from Chicago to LA.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and what kind of car, Dad?
1930, 23 Studebaker.
Oh, my goodness.
With no sides on it.
It was a touring car, just stopped. We came here in the rain, came across the Mississippi River, the water coming over the bridge.
Oh,
You
no.
can see the bridge going like this. And the Mississippi's hitting it now.
Oh, no. Well, let me tell you, so are you local?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
This is, it was
I remember
built
the garage.
Yeah, this was built in 1915, And we have a black and white picture, and that's the reproduction
That's the
we've
one
been
I see
doing.
across the street.
Yes, and then in 1930, somebody took a color picture, and it was a postcard. So we went ahead and made it bigger so everybody could see the garage in the back. And then it was gas. It wasn't Richfield. It was different brands
Right.
up until the late 60s. And then it just kind of deteriorated. And then the people that owned this property was the Lamar Sign Company.
Really?
And they wanted to bulldoze this building because they wanted to sell the land. That's when the garage collapse of neglect.
Right.
So a group of us, including me, went down to City Hall and say, look, it's the last service station in all of Inland Empire on Route 66. Everything is getting bulldozed and
Right.
new buildings are coming up. So the Lamar Sign Company, once it became historical, didn't want it. They didn't want to build a garage. So what we did is we became a nonprofit organization, Route 66 IECA. And when we became nonprofit, their lawyer and our lawyer met and they gave us this land.
Really?
Good.
Really?
And then we don't know how much they used for a write-off that donated to a nonprofit to the IRS, and we didn't care.
Yeah.
All they asked was for a little property this much so they could get to electronics and the lights and whatever.
Right.
So
Right.
once we received it in
I remember
2013,
seeing
that's the
that.
condition it
Right,
was
right.
in. Then we rallied the troops. We rallied the troops to help us build the station back up. The plumber, the construction workers, they were all in here helping to rebuild it. When they redid the stucco, the original colors were there, the yellow, the blue, and the red. So we asked the planning department if we could do it the original colors, and they agreed. Once it was done the original colors, the neighbors were saying, what's wrong with you people? They shouldn't be yellow, it should be beige. Well, nobody was around in 1915, so they had seen.
Back in a minute.
Okay.
I gotta go get some stuff.
Thank you. And so once it became the original colors, we got a preservation award, and we are now on the National Registry of Historical Places.
Now, Dad, you remember these stations, right?
Yeah,
Was this the right color?
yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Richfield was
There
called.
it is.
It was called Eagle, it was called Richfield, and then when
Ah, so that's why
they
the
took
Eagle.
Atlantic and Richfield put it together and made it Arco.
Yeah, and it's still Arco.
Yeah.
Because we tried to get into their archives. Oh, here's a
Oh,
museum.
oh, yeah.
We tried to get into the archives to see if they had anything from Richfield, and they wouldn't let us in.
No, originally they were Richfield Eagle gas stations, they were called, had a big eagle on them.
Yeah.
And they used to give these maps away.
Yes, correct. All that stuff was things that they used to give away, and except for the spark plug, but most of the stuff.
That's a pretty risque calendar for the
Yes,
time.
well, it's from the 50s.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's what men
Yeah,
used to
yeah.
hang out.
Right.
Very risque for the 50s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then these were items that the community have donated. They
Really?
have found in the garage and the attics.
Yeah,
and-
I remember that garage.